Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna just show you how to install Visual Studio Code. Okay, the latest version, as you can see right here, is version 1.69. I don't mind the version of yours. By the time you will be watching this video, every setup I'm gonna go through is just gonna be the same. And Visual Studio Code, if you just click on the docs, I already have the tab right here. It's a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages and runtimes such as C Sharp, Java, Python, PHP, and so on. So Visual Studio Code is a really nice, lightweight code editor. I'm not gonna start repeating what I just read out, but it's super fast and has really cool extensions. And we're just gonna go install. So if you're on a PC, you can just click on this download right here. But if you're on other operating systems, you can search for yours, Linux, Mac, and just install the stable version rather, and we'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna click right here on the download for Windows, and we already have our download coming up. It's gonna take a little while, and once we've got the executable file downloaded, we can as well view it in our folder, in the downloads folder, and then we can then install. So I'm just going to install it right away. So double click, and you want to run the pop-up that comes out. So I'm just going to take you through the installation process, and we'll get this really nice pop-up, setup pop-up, and we're just going to accept the agreement, and we're just going to go next, and we're just going to click on next, accepting the default folder locations, next, and yes, next. And you can then check to create a desktop icon. I'm just going to check that, and then next, and then install, and it's going to install all the necessary resources that we need to run the program. And the installation is finished, so I'm just going to create finish, and then we'll go back to our desktop, and hopefully we should see this. And I'm just going to open it, the file, so I'm going to double click, and I'm having this folder popping out here. So I'm just gonna open a new folder. So I'm gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna create it at the desktop. So I'm gonna go to the desktop and create new folder. There are a couple of ways you can do this. You can go like this, create a new folder, and we can call it whatever we want. Just call it first. My spelling first. Select folder, and it's gonna redirect the whole program to that folder. And once we're in, we can go ahead and start creating our first files. We could go text.txt. You have our text.txt file. So this is just a text file. You can input any sort of text information right here, and this is where you go to install your extensions. If you're a web developer or anything, you can come here and install. I already installed some of these programs, so you can install Live Server for launching your programs for development, during development, and also Prettier, Code Prettier, to make your code look nice and neat. And that's just it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.